Hi guys, my name is London.
Are you ready for your surprise?
Yes.
Do you know what it is?
I know what it is.
It's
Fishy Fox! I heard it was Twilight. Again.
Oh no! Oh no! How many more do we have left? 2 more.
Thank you. Down. I have 10 Fishy Pops. Let's open it. The other videos.
And what did you get?
And I get all apple blossoms.
We got all apple blossoms, and we got 1
SCOOTALOU.
Cutaloo.
No.
Cutaloo.
No.
QTU.
Yes.
QTU.
No.
Well, guys, I have learned her name since then, and it's SCOOTALOU.
Yes.
So we have 9 rainbow dashes.
No.
We have 9 apple blossoms and 1 SCOOTALOU.
I did it. Can I cut this one?
Mm-hmm.
It's only a pinkie pie. Pinkie pie. I see something. I hope it's a easy though. I hope it is. I hope it is. Aww. I can't get every single pony like this.
So there's 10 apple blossoms for Miss London.
Get off, tape. Get off.
Just squish it.
I'm not in the mood for that. I hope he got no apple blue in a pinkie pie.
You hear that? No more apple blossoms, please. Or apple bloom. What's her name?
Her name is. I really want Sweetie Belle.
I know.
I guess.
That's perfect. Good job.
I hope he got no more back.
Mm-hmm.
I hope he got no more. No. No.
Why is this happening to us?
No.
Ah.
That one. I just want this one. I hope we did get more of these. I hope we did get more. Like this.
Mm-hmm.
I hope we did get more apple blooms. I hope he did get more apple blooms. I hope he did. Hello. Ah! No!
Another one. Cut it open, sweetie. You gonna try and rip it?
But I can't. On this too, this now. On this too, with not a handle right now.
but that's enough cuts. You only need the one.
Get another clue. Oh, we did it. Yeah, we did it.
Oh my gosh.
He got
Another Scootaloo! That's London. That's way better than another Apple Bloom, at least. Now we have 2 Scootaloos! Yay, Scootaloo!
I hope we didn't get any more apple blues.
Oh no! Not again.
Not again. I hope we didn't get one more apple bloom.
Well, that makes me feel like you definitely know that it's one more Apple Bloom.
It has a bow.
Man.
Aww. I keep
Oh no! All of our Paw Patrol pups have been knocked over. Oh no! Chase! Fall asleep on the case!
I have the power and I can everything. Apple bloom again. Ah. Oh man. I hope we get another apple bloom. No, no. No. Oh man, another apple bloom. Thanks for watching. Bye guys. Subscribe to my channel.